Hi guys, this is Elaine from HOLOWITS and welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll give you HOLOWITS' flagship product, HOLOWITS Super Low Light Full Color AI PTZ Dump Camera, which highlights the features of the industry-unique RGBW Super Sensor, ultra-large depth aperture, AI ISP-based in-depth noise reduction, AI ISP-based Ultra WDR, dual-layer anti-reflection coating, and so on. Let's get started. When you get the box open, you will find the HOLOWITS camera and the other parts needed for initial installation and setup. HOLOWITS X6741 is a compact yet powerful camera. The broad-level compact hardware designed to maximize the space usage and reduce the weight in 20%. As you can see, there are two lenses in total. The upper one is the long-focus zoom lens and the below one is wide-angle prime lens. Empowered by these two wonderful lenses to approach 40x focal length, which can easily capable of providing both panoramic view and detailed image. I think it's really hard to show you in words how impressive the dual lens collaboration and 40x focal length our camera can bring. So follow me, I'll show you something different. It's 7:30 p.m. and here standing by our HOLOWITS X6741 PTZ dump camera. First, we log into HOLOWITS camera web client. The wide-angle prime lens can give you a clear panoramic view of the whole area in the below part, while the long-focus zoom lens can capture important details. Look, it's just like you're standing right in front of the gleaming crystal moon within your touch. Even every little crater could be caught directly by your eyes. Besides, technology is also worth to be mentioned about. The two anti-reflective coating to improve the transmittance by nearly 5% and prevent image ghosting at night. Also with the fine-tuned design that the f-stop of the HOLOWITS aperture changed to be f3.8, allowing 46% more light to penetrate the camera lens, so to make image capture in clear high quality. And one more help to improve the light sensitiveness by 75% is our innovative RGBW Super Sensor that can transmit not only red, green, blue, and also the white light. With one more breakthrough is that HOLOWITS X6741 creates the industry's first air blower, where you can clean the lens without touching the viewing window, blocking the view, or causing any abrasion. Building 6-axis gyroscope and AI-powered algorithms, improving image stability by 80%, which allows it to perform well in the special environments. With all kinds of outstanding text, HOLOWITS X6741 can not only capture high-quality but clear image. Let's show you how excellent the night vision can the camera bring. It's about 8 p.m. and we reached to a lake which is in very low light level on site, with nearly poor visibility. You would hardly see me if I don't turn on the lights. Let's try. Lights off. Hi guys, can you see me now? Lights on. You see, then let's take a look at how the camera works in this kind of environment. In the same way, we log in HOLOWITS camera web client and access to our camera. Both the panoramic and detail view will be shown on the screen. Oh, there's someone fishing over there. Let's juxtapose it with the video from mobile phone and show you somehow. You could definitely find out which is filmed by our camera because it's more distinct and full color, because the comparison effect tells everything. Thanks for watching this video. For more about HOLOWITS, please welcome to visit our official website. And don't forget to subscribe and give a like to us. Catch you next time!